everything to be an underground king. Underground king. I sacrifice everything to be an underground king. King.
What it do, kings and queens? It's your boy, the UP King, the People's Champ, and we back with another video. I'm outside, there's a lot of traffic, so excuse the traffic and the background noise. Hold on, this truck is coming by. But anyway, listen, you see it in the background. We got another box from VEVOR. Let's check it out. Alright, kings and queens, taking everything out of the package. Look like we got a couple pieces that go to the actual paint booth. Look like we got some straps or some cord for some anchors or stakes. A couple extra pieces, don't really know what they go to. Maybe you can patch up the paint booth if you get like a hole. So a quick patch. Along with some bags. Look like maybe you can fill them with something. Use them as weight to hold the paint booth in place. If you decide not to go with the stakes. And look like a needle set. So maybe you can patch it up like I was saying before. The instructions for this kind of like, I don't even know why they put it in the box. Again, I don't know what this stuff really is, but yeah, the instructions, not construction. The instructions was like kind of useless. It was just like they just threw it in there just to make sure that you had something in there. And now we are getting the blower out. And the blower was actually made well. Got some more stakes. Maybe you can make sure the blower won't go anywhere, I guess. I'm assuming that's why they put that in there with the blower. But this thing was packaged well, so you don't have to worry about it being damaged. As you see, I am struggling to get it out the box. And at some point in time, I will get it out of there. Yay for me. I finally got it out. But again, this thing is made pretty well. Got some good weight to it. Pretty nice size. It blows pretty strong too. So it might be good for like a shop fan or something that you can use inside the shop if you're not using, you know, the paint booth. Definitely an idea that I had, so might work well. And I messed up my thumb opening up the box, so I'm gonna get cleaned up and come right back. Now we're getting the paint booth out. Packaged pretty well. Probably will never get it back in that bag. It got some ties on it. Getting it untied, of course. And get this thing rolled out. I actually think that might be able to put it in the shop and actually blow it up. All right, hopefully I'm doing that right. All right, I don't know if you can see that, but there's the switch on the blower down at the bottom. I was kind of looking around, but I found it. Again, the instructions for this was useless. Didn't tell me anything about where to put what to zip up or anything. So at this point, I got to do some zipping up. All right, I was wrong. I got to do some zipping up first, then get it up. All right, so we tied that end off, hooked the blower up to this end. So let's see if we get better results this time. So I had the blower in the wrong end, switched ends and put it on the other end. Started to blow up, but it still wouldn't blow up all the way. And this is about as far as I got it with the blower hooked in on the correct end. All right, make sure you check this thing thoroughly before trying to inflate it. Here's another zip up area that I didn't know about, which is keeping it from inflating like it's supposed to. Of course, I just didn't know. So just showing you everything that you will need to know, possibly check for if you get one of these. So let's zip this up. I'm gonna check the other side and see if it's one on the other side as well. All right, there is one on both sides. Hopefully that was it. Make sure you check the bottoms. Make sure you zip this thing up. Of course, the instructions do not tell you where all the zippers are at, so go through it thoroughly. Do a better job than I did, and let's try to get this thing up again. All right, kings and queens, so finally we got it. This is it at full size. Definitely want to stake it down if you get some high winds. It will move around on you, but we got it up. It's a pretty nice size. Now obviously you're not gonna get a big car in here, anything like that, but it is great for parts. So let's open it up, go in. Definitely warm in here. Now, I don't know what that might be used for. And it looked like the zippers broke on it already. So, look out for that. I have to take a look at that. But, looks like it's got little spots for lights. Put some lights in this thing. Kind of use it for whatever you want to use it for. Got like your filters for when you're painting. You definitely want to get that other fan to get some air flowing in here. But you got your filters. It don't feel too bad. Now, in the spot where I'm at, it's shaded a little bit. Now when you get down to the area where it's sun at, this little plastic here is kind of intensifying the sun. So it's a little warm down here. Now that could be a good thing because got some parts, you want to sit them in the sun, sit them right in front of this one. You know, you got some parts, sit them right in front of this one right here, right up in this area, and let that sun bake them parts a little bit. That might work out. Now, you don't want to stand here very long, or you're going to be the one getting baked. So, let's see what it looks like when we get some parts in here. Just wanted to show this real quick that the filters are removable, so you can take them off with the Velcro, put them back, maybe change them, maybe open them up if you need to, and they go right back in place. And this is for both sides. So just another feature of the inflatable paint booth that you might want to know about, and it might work out for you for whatever your needs are. Alright, so as you can see, you got plenty room for your parts, stand, of course you in here. Walk all the way around. Make sure you got this thing staked down though. It will move on you like I was saying. You don't want that thing closing in on you. But, you know, depending on how you got your parts, you can paint your parts, no problem. You got plenty room, plenty space. So, this will definitely work out real good for painting parts. Small parts, rims, stuff like that. You can't really see me, but, you know, trying to explain. Got plenty of headroom. You don't have to worry about if you're feeling like you're closed in. Let me bring that down. All right, that's a lot better. You don't have to worry about if you're feeling like you're closed in. A lot of headroom. You don't have to worry about that. The thing seems to be, you know, inflated pretty good, very well. Like I said, I can still feel some of the air coming in, and possibly that's supposed to be open. Well, you can't even see it, but the little black box, I believe you open that up and that allows some of the airflow into the paint booth itself. So if you don't have the small air blower for the ventilation and to get some more air flowing through here, I believe I can feel that air coming through. Now, maybe I'm not even supposed to be feeling that air because, again, the zipper is broke. So, possibly I'm not supposed to even be feeling that, but I do. So, that might help. But yeah, this thing is going to work well for doing small parts. So, this might be something that you might be interested in. You know, if you don't have a big garage or you don't have a garage at all, you want to get some smart, small parts done. Every time I do these videos, I can never talk. It amazes me. But you can get some small parts done, you know, get the small projects in. I'm pretty sure you can get quite a bit done in one of these spaces. So the wind is picking up and I'm talking real loud. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Let's get up out of here. All right, now I'm just deflating the paint booth. See how fast it deflates to be able to be put up. And it didn't take that long at all. Deflates pretty quickly. And you're able to get it out your way and go on about your day. So when it comes to collapsing or deflating the paint booth, it took minutes. Less than 5, I would say. Less than 5 minutes and it's all down. You can roll it back up, box it back up, put it off to the side until you need it again.